Tol, ngayon ka tol. Yan. Ready na ba?
Yes, ready.
Sige tol.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Colonel, ilang kilometers na lang, Colonel?
540.
Okay.
Uy, ay stang karata.
No, that's okay. Malayo itong dintahan natin.
I
Bundok.
feel like I'm losing my mind.
Pagtutol, dito na tayo sa venue natin, St. Aquinas.
Please, Lord, give me
Ganun
a
ba yun?
sign.
St. Aquinas Secondary High School.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Entrance H. Yan na to.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a
Yung St. Aquinas.
sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make
To the
this.
left.
Feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Yan si Coach Ma'am. Coach Ma'am, Carding YouTube channel. Follow nyo lang. Yan yun. H. Dito yata.
Versus Kadi or straw throwing warriors. So mga kaibigan, napasubo kagad kami sa second game. Laban sa isang matikas na team from Strathroy. As you can see mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, they look like younger than us. Kaya kung titinan mo yung scoring namin dito, talagang exciting. So, naunahan kami ng team na to kasi talagang mabibilis sila. Alam naman natin na parang diesel lang kami. Kailangan pa namin ng warm up, kailangan pa ng yung mag-init. Kaya yun, mga matatanda, medyo talagang napalaban dito. Yan kung titinan nyo dyan si RG Com is ang commissioner ng London. Yan. So, dahil sa sobrang aga, yung game namin, kumuha kami ng mga players sa London. Okay, and salamat kay RG Com Randy Pogi ng London. Sir, salamat sa tulong mo. Kaya tuloy pa rin yung laro natin. Hindi tayo na late. Kaya yun, maganda. I like this guy. Look at how he passed the ball. Look, boom. Maganda yung ano niya. Pasa. Yun, tol. Unang score from Coach Mav of Detroit sa Carding Ermita YouTube team ng Detroit, Michigan. Bang! Medyo ano pa tayo dito? Ayun. Look, RG. Bang! Talagang namamasa si RG. Bang for my partner, Harvey Samaliano. Mindis, di ba umiinit? Bata natin. Pero yung bata sa kalaban, talagang nag-i-score. There we go. And there's Chris Paul of London. Pasa niya kay Bad Boy. Bad Boy for 3. Boom! Yun! Kaya medyo nakahabol tayo dito mga kaibigan. Ganda ng laro. So enjoy lang kayo mga kaibigan. Okay, enjoy lang.
Foul. Number 1. Which is foul.
Don't laugh.
I don't know what to say.
10 seconds, that's it. 10 seconds, shut up.
Okay.
Louder, shout, shout. Wait, so that they can hear.
Like this.
This.
Daddy, oh my God,
So nag-substitution yung Team Kabayan Nation or Kabayan Badger dito, mga kaibigan. And look, medyo pagod yung tatlo na malalaki. Kasama dyan si Mr. Pogi Harvey. Ito, unang bitaw ni Commissioner RG. Malamig pa kasi sobrang aga naman tong team na to, kasi yung laro na to. Pangalawa, mintis din, but that is okay. Ito, mga kaibigan, tingnan nyo yung laro. Kailangan boom! Yun. Ito, wala tayo sa rebounding. Medyo mahina tayo. Yun, fast break to RG. Boom! Malamig pa rin. Don't worry. Mga kaibigan, yun, yun, ganda ng depensa ni CJ Pamor. Ayos, good anticipation. Ito, nandiyan na si Dwayne. Pass, boom. Oops, napulot ni Al. Supesensya. Dwayne for 3. Not this time. Foul ka agad si CJ Pamor. Hawak, nakikita ng referee. Tignan niyo, mga kaibigan, yung score. Kabayan Badgers 7, Strathroy 16. Kaya talagang mahirap ang laban na to, mga kaibigan. Tignan niyo. Bang! Rebound by CJ Pamor. Pass to Calvo. Bang! Talagang malas, mga kaibigan. Malamig talaga yung mga kasama natin. Bang! Libing tayo, libing. There we go. Tingnan natin kung kaya ba ng Badgers to. Yung Badgers CJ Pamor trying to set it up. Pass inside. Go. Boom! Galing. Dito na, mga kaibigan, yung score is 9-18 in favor of Strathroy. Yung mga bata. Ito. Natin yung depensa. Bang! CJ Pamor. Depensa! Bing! Wow. Foul daw. Yeah, ganda ng laban. Minit na. Here we go. Push. Look at number 2, CJ Pamor. Bang! Yan mo. Nakadikit sa kalaban. Bang! Contest. That's okay. Ay, mali doon sa depensa. Dwayne dribbling the ball. Pass inside. Nope. Air ball. Yun. Yun sa ilalim. Turnover. Let's go. Yun. Fast break, mga kaibigan. Dito na nagsimulang uminit ang Kabayan Badger. Score for 2. Siyam naman ng kalaban. Dribble. Ito yung depensa. Yun, nakadikit si CJ Pamor sa number 14 na bata. Here we go. Yun. Boom. Score. No defense. That is okay. Lamang uli ang kalaban ng 10. Badger for 3. There we go. Guys, medyo umiinit na yung Badger dito. Ayun, humihina na yung mga bata. Naglalakad na. Go, dribbling the ball. Ngayon, CJ Pamor is trying to stay with his man. Boom! Yung depensa. Balik. Backs out. Bang! Badger for rebound. Go. Attack. Alan sa Presencia. Pass to Dwayne. Ganda ng pasa. Score by CJ Pamor. Bang! No. Not counted. That's offensive foul.
Number 13.
Ito guys, 16-22. So kung tatanungin nyo, kung titingnan nyo, bakit tayo nakahabol? Look. See? Oh. Pasahan. Oh, that's a bad pass. That's okay. Come on, man. You can do better than that, for sure. Here's CJ Pamor. Pounding the ball. Pass to the point guard, which is correct. See? Pick. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan ang basketball. Oh. See, rebound, but that's okay. Pag yun. Pero, pick. Yun. Ganda ng depensa. CJ Pamor to Dwayne. Yun. Dapat pasa. Anyway, free throw yan. Which is good. I like it. So now, kung titinan nyo, nakahabol ang Kabayan Badgers. Ang tanong, bakit? Bakit? So yan tinatawag natin na talagang physical basketball. Number 2 and Wayne working together for the first time with Alan sa Presencia. Sheesh. Go, number 2. Yan ang mga bata, oh. Nanghihina na. Hihina yung mga bata. Talaga na. Tingnan yung mga matatanda. Right, let's go. For CJ Pamor. CJ Pamor, yun, malapit. Bang! Contest. Nope. Rebound. Here we go. Oh. Bang! Foul. See? Matatanda yan, but fighter. Yan, tinatawag na fighter. Fighter wine. Yan, nagre-reklamo na si Dwayne, no? Ang haba daw ng mga kuko.
Kuko.
Alright, backs out. Tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo. Bakit tayo lumamang? Yes, this is how we play basketball. Look, tingnan nyo, backs out. Bang! Oh. Ganyan lang ang laro. Alright, okay, Dwayne dribbling the ball. Okay, pick, tingnan nyo, may pick number 2. I-rotate, tingnan mo. Pick, rebound, boom, 3 points. Tie score. See, that's how we play basketball. Kalma lang, may movement. Right? See the difference? Mulang pumasok na yung number 2. Namang na yan. Bang! See, ganda ng depensa. Very tight defense. Nagpa-foul na. Ako yata ang foul niyan eh. Number 2, foul. Yeah. So as you can see, papalitan na, di ba? Papalitan na yung number 2 pad. Diyan tayo lumamang or nag-tie score. Right, so
Time, pag may time kayo, cut your nails. Baka
ngayon,
masundot yung mga mata nyo.
dahil naumpisahan na yun natin yung physical defense natin, na talagang physical, yung physicality nag-improve, maganda na yung laban ngayon. Kaya dyan na si Harvey, bumalik na. So babanat na rin siya. Nice. Oh, walang offensive rebound tayo. Tol. Ay nako. The difference. So kung nandyan pa yung number 2, dapat atin na yun. It's okay. Let's go guys. Here's number 1. Number 1 pass to 14. 3 points. Nope. Rebound. So walang box out yun, but that's okay. Nakuha pa rin natin yung bola. Pumasok. Yes sir. Now lamang na tayo.
Score side of 23.
high score pa rin. Score din yata yung kalaban. Bang! Foul. Oh no! Sleeping. Caught napping. Nandiyan na yung 24 guys. Para si Christian Tinoy. Now we are scoring. We are running. Very, very good.
Ball
Guys,
number
nakapag tayo
23.
ng dalawa.
First personal ball. 30-14. 1 point. 26-23 in favor of Wazzup Kabayan Badgers. Foul, basket good. Foul number 6. Penalty. Pushing foul, number 24, Christian Tinoy. Penalty. Two shots. Free throws good.